want to talk to you about something I think we're all conscientious about: diets. And when it comes to diets, one size definitely does not fit all. Everyone responds to different food plans in their own unique way. For some people, it's low fat, others low carb and no sugar, and if you're over 50, intermittent fasting. And sometimes you just have to try different things out to see what works best for you. But no matter what food plan you choose, I know that most of us are looking for a way to satisfy our sweet tooth. And I found the perfect person on Instagram. Shay is hooked on keto. How did you get inspired to use keto for your lifestyle?
I was paleo for 4.5 years. I got healthy, I lost a bunch of weight, and a lot of people that I followed on Instagram started trying keto, and I wanted something to test my body to see if I could handle something better.
Let me just give you a quick rundown on what is a keto diet. Basically, when our bodies burn fat, we produce ketones or ketosis. And so if we only give our bodies protein and fat and very little carb, we're going to burn fat faster, especially from our midsection. We have a recipe here, but this does not look like diet food to me. This looks like it's gonna be really yummy. What are you gonna bake for us today?
I am making today cinnamon cheesecake brownies.
Oh God, anybody who knows me or has read my blog knows I love chocolate. So let's get started.
Okay. So the first thing we do, you gotta preheat the oven 350 degrees.
Okay.
Go ahead and throw some parchment paper in an 8x8 pan, and you can set that aside right away. And what we're gonna do is for the cheesecake layer, we're gonna start off with cream cheese and sweetener.
What sweetener are you using?
I am using a monk fruit and erythritol blend. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the egg.
Yum. So eggs and cream cheese, it seems counterintuitive for a diet, but what we know is when you have enough of healthy fats in your diet, you're less likely to overeat.
Right, you become fuller faster. After we threw the remaining ingredients in the cheesecake layer, we're gonna go mix it together again. Once it's all fully incorporated and mixed together, we're gonna go ahead and just set that aside.
Oh.
Now we're gonna do the brownie layer.
Okay, that means chocolate. And
Yes.
you know what chocolate is full of? Antioxidants.
Absolutely.
And antioxidants help prevent cancer, and I'll do anything to prevent cancer.
So what first we're gonna do is we're gonna take some melted butter.
Butter. Okay, so let me clear something up for a lot of you. Butter is a healthy fat. You need a balance of fat in your diet so that you feel fuller and you won't eat as much. I'm really looking forward to this because I know that when I'm on a diet, I never want to feel deprived. But you've been doing keto for what?
Almost 2 years now.
2 years, and you're not getting bored with it?
No, it's still an adventure because pretty much anything you can name or you want can be made keto-fied.
Wow.
So the brownie layer, we're gonna add 1 egg.
1 egg?
At a time. Add a little bit of some almond, cashew, and macadamia nut milk.
Now what are you adding?
The almond flour.
Almond flour. So as you know, almonds are a great source of antioxidants, great source of protein. I can't wait to see these bake.
They come out so delicious.
So what are you gonna do now?
Now I'm going to take the remaining brownie mix and dollop it in the cheesecake layer.
Okay.
And there we go.
And this is all ketogenic.
Yes.
Wow.
Sugar-free and low carb.
Yum. Now what? This goes in the oven?
This goes in the oven for about 25 minutes, so the center is just a little jiggly.
So this makes 16 cinnamon cheesecake keto brownies. Yummy in the tummy. smells delicious. You can see all the different layers here. Oh my God. Hello.
So good.
Shay, these are really delicious. Where can people go to find your recipes and to find you?
I'm over on Instagram at Hooked on Keto.
And you can also find this recipe and more information on diet, lifestyle, and all things related to health and wellness when you visit nursebarb.com.